If your 1.0 Ecoboost engine doesn't start and it needs a replacement starter motor, then this is the guide to how it's done. Unfortunately, it isn't the easiest accessible starter motor, but don't let this put you off because it really isn't that bad to change. It's located at the back of the engine above the suspension seen here. Before we start, safety first, let's disconnect the battery. We're going to need to take the battery out anyway. Firstly, underneath, disconnect the main lead and the pigtail lead. This wiring harness then will lift away. Then remove the 10mm bolt at the bottom of the starter motor. The top bolt is a little bit awkward because it goes in from the other direction at the top of the gearbox. Very difficult to see. But by removing the battery, the intake pipe and the airbox and the couple of bolts securing the battery carrier, that will move to the side, seen here, will give you access to the top bolt. Then with an extension you will be able to loosen the top bolt. Don't remove the bolt though, leave it in situ so that when you put the new starter motor in you can easily start it. The starter motor will now lower, ready for the replacement. Here's the old and new starter motor. It's definitely worth checking that it matches up the same. Refit the starter motor and then tighten the bottom bolt as far as you can by hand. Then you should be able to reach up the back and tighten the top bolt. When you're happy that both bolts are started, tighten them both up securely. Now refit the wiring harness and tighten the wiring. Now the starter should be fitted, we can refit the battery carrier, the battery, the airbox and the intake pipe. All that's left to do now is turn the key and see if it starts. Hopefully we managed to help you in this video. How did you find the job yourself? Why don't you leave us a comment below? This has been How to Fix It. And as always, why not give us a like and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and while you're here, check out these other useful videos for the EcoBoost engine. Bye for now.